Hello there, welcome to today's video. Hello there and welcome to today's video. Hello there and welcome to today's video.
Just run away with my time. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with my time.
Hello there and welcome to today's video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Twomey and I'm a makeup artist and a consumer who's on the hunt for healthy makeup and cosmetic products. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have loved making videos for you guys and I'm really excited to continue sharing on this journey to find non-toxic, healthy products that we can use on our face, on our skin, and on our bodies. So if you're into this and you're also looking to live a greener type lifestyle and not use cosmetic products that have toxins, endocrine disruptors, and other bad ingredients, please subscribe to my page so we can continue on this journey together. Today's topic is a fun one. It's all about the lips and exfoliating the lips to help aid in moisture. I'm going through a little bit of a weird season where I live now. We are supposed to be going from spring to summer. It's more like winter to spring, sort of. And my lips have been very dry and I've been going through kind of this transition phase. So of course, all of us want to pile on the lip balm when we're going through this. But the problem is if you don't exfoliate the dead skin first, you don't have a fresh surface to start with. Since I'm on this journey to use products that are non-toxic and do not contain dirty ingredients, and as many of you probably know, I use the Think Dirty app to look up the products that I'm purchasing beforehand to see if they have dirty ingredients in them. And I'll link to a video that I made about the Think Dirty app right here. But here's the thing. We don't always need to purchase a product to get what we're looking for. And I find that a lip scrub is exactly one of these areas. Sure, there are some great lip scrubs out there and I have a couple here I have enjoyed using. The Lush Mint Juleps Lip Scrub, I really liked. This one is actually pretty expired at this point because they make their stuff pretty fresh and they're very good about their ingredients. I also have the Arbonne Vanilla Bean Lip Smoother, which was actually a seasonal item, I believe, and I do not have the ingredients here. Nonetheless, it doesn't matter because lip scrubs are super duper easy to make at home, and the benefit to making them at home is you have control over the ingredients that you use. So you don't have to use a ton of ingredients to make these products, and you don't have to buy a product that has a ton of ingredients in it. You can actually make lip scrubs with just a few simple ingredients. So today I am going to show you how to make different lip scrubs from my favorite recipes, and they are actually very comparable to these lip scrubs that I showed you here. So stay tuned for those recipes. that was our first batch. You'll notice I used peppermint as the flavor for this one. And right at the end, I strained it to create this very dense, sugary lip scrub. You just take that lip scrub and rub it on your lips. This is completely edible since I'm using all food grade ingredients, organic sugar, organic coconut oil, and I'm also using the Manuka honey from Trader Joe's. You can also substitute organic honey. And of course, I also have my Eden's Garden essential oils here. So I'm just gonna take this and exfoliate my lips. It literally tastes like a candy cane. You can lick it off, you can wipe it off, and in the end you will have exfoliated lips. Looks like I've got a dry patch there, so I can go back in with a little bit more. There we have it. Exfoliated lips. This was a super easy lip scrub to make. It only took 4 ingredients. Let's jump to the next one. That's recipe number 2. This smells so good. If you are a citrus lover, you'll love this one. And just as a note, you do not have to use both of these essential oils. I wanted to do a lemon lime, so I used both, but this key lime by itself or lemon by itself is awesome. So this is the easiest recipe ever. It's just 3 ingredients, just organic sugar, organic extra virgin olive oil, and an essential oil of your choice. Again, you can choose to use one, you can layer them. This recipe you can also add pureed fruit to. So if you have some strawberries that you want to puree or some kiwi, puree them up, add them to this concoction. So same as the last one, I'm just gonna scoop a little bit off of here, rub my lips, exfoliate, lick a little bit off, wipe a little bit off. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this one. This one is one of my favorites. It's just so simple and easy and it tastes so good. And look how exfoliated my lips are. Very exfoliated. All right, I have one more recipe for you guys. Let's keep going. So that is the last one. This is the vanilla bean. And again, only 3 ingredients needed for this. Use the almond sweet oil with the organic cane sugar. And of course, a little vanilla. This is a nice sweet one. You're just gonna apply, exfoliate, and you can either lick it off since it's edible, or you can wipe it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one real quick. And that's it. And remember, since all of these lip scrubs are made with very natural and simplistic ingredients, be sure to just make a little bit and use it right away. You can also store it in a container for up to 2 weeks. Just make sure to keep it in a cool, dark place, not somewhere hot like your car. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video. If you want to see more on recipes throw me a comment and let me know. I do have some other recipes up my sleeve like lip balm, so I'd love to hear your thoughts on what recipes you want to learn more about. I'd also love to know if you made the lip scrub recipes and what you thought. So please let me know your thoughts on these recipes below as well. I'm so excited to be having this conversation about clean beauty. So please be sure to subscribe if you're interested in having that conversation too, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.